Why don't eggs tell each other jokes? Because they could crack up. And here's another one for you. Why did the tomato turn red? Because it saw the salad dressing. Now that we have our appetites whetted with laughter, brace yourself for a culinary journey that's going to be anything but ordinary. Starting our countdown at number 10, we have casu marzu, a cheese from Sardinia that's left to ferment until it's full of live maggots. This culinary curiosity offers a robust, tangy flavor and a creamy yet crawling texture. Sounds delicious, doesn't it? Let's see what's next on the menu. Moving on to number 9, we've got hakal from Iceland. This isn't your typical seafood. It's fermented shark, and it's known for its strong, ammonia-rich smell. But don't let that deter you, because locals love it and consider it a delicacy. Now let's fly over to China for number 8. Century eggs, also known as 100-year eggs, are preserved in a mixture of clay, ash, salt, quicklime, and rice hulls for several weeks to months. The result? A jelly-like egg with a unique flavor. Finally, at number 7, we have balut from the Philippines. It's a fertilized duck egg with the embryo inside, often consumed with a pinch of salt and a splash of vinegar. Are your stomachs churning yet? Well, hold tight because we're just getting started. At number 6, we have surströmming from Sweden, a fermented herring that's considered one of the smelliest foods in the world. This delicacy is traditionally served in late summer, but the aroma is so potent, it's usually opened outdoors to avoid stinking up the house. Now, if you thought that was bizarre, wait till you hear about our number 5. From Japan, we have fugu, a pufferfish delicacy that, if not prepared correctly, can be deadly. Talk about a meal that bites back. And at number 4, we have Rocky Mountain oysters from the United States. Don't let the name fool you. These oysters are actually deep-fried bull testicles. Are you ready to explore the top 3 most bizarre foods? We hope you're not eating while watching this. At number 3, we've got escamoles from Mexico, ant larvae often referred to as insect caviar. These tiny delicacies are harvested from the roots of the agave plant, fried up with butter and spices, and served as a filling in tacos. Now, brace yourselves for number 2, sanakji from South Korea. This isn't just seafood, it's an adventure. Sanakji is a small live octopus that's served whole or in pieces, still squirming. Lastly, we have kopi luwak from Indonesia taking the top spot. It's a coffee like no other. The beans are eaten and subsequently excreted by a civet, then collected, cleaned, roasted, and ground into a brew that's as exotic as it gets. And there you have it, the top 10 most bizarre foods from around the globe. Let's do a quick recap of our culinary roller coaster. From the daring durian of Southeast Asia to the intriguing iguana eggs of Central America, we've indulged in 10 bizarre foods from around the globe. That's all for today, folks. Remember, one man's bizarre is another man's delicacy. Until next time, stay hungry and stay curious.